pathways. If you've seen any of my earlier videos, I think you will know that local pathways is more than just walks through parks or riverside walks. Sometimes we need to get out and see our more urbanized areas, our industrial areas, our construction areas. These are all in our neighborhood, and they're important, and they provide a great opportunity to get out, connect with our community, and see what's going on. Today we're at the airport. I'm walking along the south walkway of the runways.